well-written author bio is way more important than you think because it's more than just listing facts about yourself. An author bio gives readers a reason to trust you, connect with you, and more importantly, buy your book. So whether you're writing fiction, non-fiction, poetry, or a memoir, let's talk about how you can write an author bio that tells a story about yourself in just a few lines. Begin with a one-liner that sums up who you are and what you've written. This line should include your name, your professional title, and your book title. As you can see in this example, the first line includes your name, your role or profession, and the book title. If your book has won awards or has been a part of a bestseller list, mention that upfront. It adds to your credibility immediately. Now that you've introduced yourself, add context. Have you written other books? Are there any personal experiences that inspired the writing of this book? This is where you explain what connects you to what you've written. And yes, always write your bio in third person. It makes it easier to talk about your own achievements and toot your own horn, which you should always be doing in your author bio. Next, highlight the credentials that matter. It's not about including every certificate or trophy you want, but about including that information that makes your reader trust you. Especially for non-fiction, these credentials are key because your readers want to know if you are the right person to be writing about this subject. Try to keep it concise. Keep it under 300 words. Prioritize your book, your background, and your credibility, but also add a little something that humanizes you. Little facts like whether you have a dog, what you enjoy doing in your free time, and what other hobbies you have other than writing. And don't shy away from adding a quirky line or two to make your bio memorable. Like this line from Jamal Maclay's book. Sri Vindaloo is a grand and wonderful pig who lives in Goa. His adventures in the book took him between Goa, Leningrad, and Las Vegas. This one line shows us the author's sense of humor, hints at the playful tone of the book, and leaves us smiling in just a few words. So a great author bio does more than just list your achievements. It helps build a connection with your readers and helps them remember you. And it also tells them what they can expect from your book. What are some unique author bios that you've come across? Tell us in the comments. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!